This is a capture race challenge for black. It's not that difficult, but black needs to be really careful because there are many traps that black can easily fall into. The first trap is actually this. It seems super tempting. You might be thinking, if white plays here, we'll use our very standard move by now. The standing down, Atari, throw in, and this way, black will be able to succeed. Or if white captures, black can still succeed this way. Is it right? Actually, no, because white's number 2 can actually be here, and this is a 3 liberties versus 2 situation, and black will be captured, like this. There's no way for black to escape. So that's why number 1 is actually wrong. And similarly, number 1 here will be wrong because white can just connect here. This will be wrong as well. White can connect. It's already a 3 liberties versus 2 situation. And that's why pushing here is also wrong, because white can block here, and there's not even, you're hoping for this ko if you're black, but white can just connect. It's still a 3 liberties versus 4. If you come to the corner, there's not going to be an extra liberty here, right? Because black does not get to play this cut, unlike some of the other problems. Because this is already a tiger's mouth, white can respond by only 1 move. So we've actually already eliminated these 4 moves on the 2nd and 3rd lines. And that really leaves us with this move right here. Or this. This doesn't work because white can simply play on this side. What happens now is that black can try to throw in here, and this will be a ko, right? Not optimal, but it might be okay if you can't find the correct move. The correct move is right here. Now what happens is that if white plays here again, black can connect back with 1 and 3, like this. If white blocks here, now black can push. If white plays here, this is a connect and die at number 5. If white connects here, then black can keep pushing. It's still a connect and die. If white captures, now black can just capture these 3 stones. And this is probably the optimal result for white because white gets to save some of its stones. If white connects here, black can play this bend on the 1st line. If black pushes here, then again we have a 3 liberties versus 2 situation. This will be a connect and die for black. So that is why black needs to play here first. White must cut black off, and now black can push and capture white in this connect and die. It'll be something like this. If white tries to make this ko, black can play right here. If white plays here, then this is a connect and die. If white plays this, then black can kill white with number 5. So number 2 here will not work. Lastly, what about this move? White can still connect here, actually. And this way, black will still be dead. It'll be something like this. If black tries to come into the corner, now this is 4 liberties versus 3, and black will still be dead. So that's why number 1 here doesn't work. So overall, not too difficult. The variations are not tricky, but some of the moves, if you feel like this is the correct move, without calculating white's possible move here at number 2, then you'll be wrong, right? So that's why you need to be really careful when calculating this type of problems. And playing here at the bending of the 1st line, always a good move that you should consider in real games. Hope you enjoyed this challenge, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.